Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer network. Our first question is the structure or format of data is called dash. Given options are A syntax, B semantics, C struct, D formatting. Your correct answer is option A syntax. The structure and format of data are defined using syntax. Semantics defines how a particular pattern to be interpreted and what action is to be taken based on that interpretation. In programming languages, syntax of the instruction plays a vital role in designing of the program. Next question. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Given options are A. Automatic, B. Half duplex, C. Full duplex, D. Simplex. Your correct answer is option D. Simplex. In simplex transmission, data flows in single direction, which in this case refers to the data flowing from the keyboard to the computer. Another examples would be of the mouse, where the data flows from the mouse to the computer only. Next question. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packets moves from the upper to the lower layers, headers are dash. Given options are A. Added, B. Removed, C. Rearranged, D. Modified. The correct answer is option A. Added. Each layer adds its own header to the packet from the previous layer. For example, in the internet layer, the IP header is added over the TCP header on the data packet that came from the transport layer. Our next question. The first network was called dash. Option A. CNNET, B. NSFNet, C. SAPNet, D. ARPANET. ARPANET. Your correct answer is option D. ARPANET. ARPANET. So ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Networks. It was the first network to be implemented which used the TCP/IP protocol in the year